Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of engine assembly lubes. If you're rebuilding or maintaining your engine, choosing the right assembly lubricant is absolutely crucial to prevent wear, scuffing, and galling during initial startup. Today, we'll be counting down the top 5 best engine assembly lubes on the market. Links to all the products are in the description below. So, let's get started. At number 2, we have the Permatex 81950 Ultra Slick Engine Assembly Lube. Permatex is a well-known brand in the automotive world, and this product lives up to its reputation. The red-colored liquid adheres strongly to metal surfaces, ensuring proper lubrication of engine bearings, camshafts, lifters, valves, guides, and rocker shaft assemblies. Its OEM-grade formulation meets industry standards, making it a dependable choice for professional and DIY engine builders alike. The standout feature of this lube is its ultra-slick formula, which minimizes scuffing and galling during initial startup. It's also highly heat-resistant, with a flash point of 550 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it holds up in high-temperature environments. Users consistently rate it highly for ease of application and effective protection. Although its smaller 4-ounce bottle may not be ideal for larger projects. Another minor drawback is its liquid form, which can drip during application compared to grease-based alternatives. Permatex Ultra Slick is an excellent choice for those seeking a high-quality, OEM-grade assembly lube for precise applications. It's ideal for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Pros include its ultra-slick formula and high heat resistance, while cons include its smaller bottle size and liquid consistency. Finally, at number 1 is the Lucas Oil 10153 High Performance Semi-Synthetic Assembly Lube. This product has earned its spot as the top choice due to its exceptional performance and versatility. Designed to eliminate dry starts, it offers robust protection against seizing, galling, and scuffing during engine assembly and startup. It's also formulated to prevent breakdown during long-term storage, making it ideal for builders working on projects over extended periods. The semi-synthetic formula strikes a perfect balance between adhesion and fluidity, ensuring it stays in place while still being easy to apply. Its low viscosity makes it suitable for pre-lubing bearings, cams, lifters, and the valve train. Customer reviews consistently praise its reliability, with a stellar 4.9-star rating, reflecting user satisfaction. The larger 8-ounce bottle provides plenty of lubricant for larger projects, and its flash point ensures performance under high temperatures. The only downside is that it's slightly pricier than some competitors, but the performance justifies the cost. Lucas Oil 10153 is the best choice for both professional mechanics and DIYers who want a premium assembly lube that delivers consistent results. Its versatility and performance make it a standout product. Pros include its high customer ratings, exceptional adhesion, and suitability for long-term storage. Cons are limited to its slightly higher cost. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect engine assembly lube for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Got questions about any of these products? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.